Hi everyone, this is K. Venkateshwarlu, lecturer in mathematics, Government Degree College, Nalgonda. In previous video lectures, we see the problems on kernel of a group homomorphism. Now we see more problems on kernel of a group homomorphism. So before that, first we recall the definition of kernel of a homomorphism. After that, we discuss the problems on kernel of a group homomorphism. So first, what is the definition of a kernel of a homomorphism? The kernel of let f is mapping from G to G dash be a homomorphism. The kernel of this homomorphism is denoted by kernel f and is defined by kernel f is equal to x belongs to G such that the kernel of this homomorphism is denoted by kernel f and is defined by kernel f is equal to set of all elements of G that satisfying the condition f of x is equal to e dash, where e dash is the identity element in the group G dash. If G dash is a group with respect to addition, the identity element e dash is 0. If G dash is a group with respect to multiplication, the identity element e dash is 1. Okay, now we go for the first problem. Here phi is defined from z plus z to z is a homomorphism defined by pi of a comma b is equal to a minus b for every a comma b belongs to z, direct sum of z. Then find kernel pi. Here the first domain is a group, that is z direct sum z. So the set z direct sum z contains order pairs of a comma b, set of all order pairs, that is a comma b. So given that phi is mapping from z plus z to z is a homomorphism and is defined as pi of a comma b is equal to a minus b for every a comma b order pair. Here a comma b is order pair. A comma b belongs to z plus z. Now what is the definition of kernel of a homomorphism? Kernel pi is equal to pi of x is equal to e dash such that x belongs to z plus of z, where a dash is the identity element in z. So z is we know that z is a group with respect to addition, then e dash is equal to 0. Here x is nothing, here x is the element of z direct sum of z. That's why here we take x in place of a comma b. That is here pi of a comma b is equal to 0. But here pi of a comma b is defined by a minus b. From that one we get a minus b is equal to 0. So that is a is equal to b. That is a is equal to b here. That is here a is equal to b. Therefore kernel pi is equal to set of all elements of a comma a. Here kernel pi is nothing but set of all elements of domain set. Here domain set is z direct sum of z. The elements of z direct sum of z are in the form of a comma b, but here we get the condition is a is equal to b. Therefore kernel pi is equal to set of all elements of a comma a such that a belongs to z. Next problem. Here pi is mapping from z to z3 direct sum of z4 is a homomorphism and is defined by pi of x is equal to x mod 3 comma x mod 4 for every x belongs to z. Then find kernel pi. So here also given homomorphism is the group additive group z2 z3 plus z4. z3 plus z4 is also a group with respect to addition. So is a homomorphism and pi of x is equal to x mod 3 comma x mod 4 for every x belongs to z. So now we write the definition of kernel of a homomorphism, that is kernel pi is equal to pi of x is equal to e dash such that x is in z and e dash is the identity element in z3 plus z4. z3 plus z4 is a group with respect to addition. The identity element in z3 plus z4 is 0 comma 0. That's why here in place of e dash we take 0 comma 0. Pi of x is equal to 0 comma 0, but here pi of x is defined as x mod 3 comma x mod 4, which is equal to 0 comma 0. Which is equal to 0 comma 0. So that means here we find all the values of x that satisfying 0 comma 0 condition. If we substitute x is equal to 0, 0 mod 3 is 0 and 0 mod 4 is also 0. That's why here the x value is 0 and here we substitute 12 mod 3, and here also 12 mod 4. 12 mod 3 is 0, 12 mod 4 is 0. That's why here x is equal to 12. If you take x is equal to 2, what about here? 2 mod 3 is 2, and 2 mod 4 is also 2. If you take 1, x is equal to 1, 1 mod 3 is 1, 1 mod 4 is also 1. It is not equal to 0 comma 0. Here we find the values of x that is equal to 0 comma 0. If you substitute x is equal to 3, 3 mod 3 is 0, but 3 mod 4 is not equal to 0. Here, if you substitute x is equal to 3, 3 mod 3, comma 3 mod 4. 3 mod 3 comma 3 mod 4. 3 mod 3 is 0, but 3 mod 4 is equal to 0 comma 3. That is not equal to 0 comma 0. That's why here x is not equal to 3. And if you substitute x is equal to 4, 4 mod 3 is 1, and 4 mod 4 is 0, 1 comma 0. That is not equal to 0 comma 0. If you substitute x is equal to 5, 5 mod 3, 5 mod 3 is equal to 2. Here 5 mod 4 is 1, that is not equal to 0 comma 0. Similarly, continuing this process, we substitute here x is equal to 12. 12 mod 3 is 0. 12 mod 4 is also 0. That's why 12 is the solution of this one. And similarly, 24, 36 and so on are all solutions of this equation. That's why here kernel phi is equal to generator of 12. Here Z is a, first the domain set Z is a group with respect to addition. Z is a group with respect to addition. Here kernel phi is equal to generator of 12. So generator of 12 with respect to addition means 0 into Z, 1 into Z, 2 into Z, 3 into Z and so on. Generator of Z means 0 into Z, 1 into Z, 2 into Z, 3 into Z and so on. So with respect to multiplication, generator of Z is equal to, or generator of A is equal to, with respect to multiplication, generator of A is equal to A power 0 comma A power 1 comma A square comma and so on, which is generator of A with respect to multiplication. So whenever the group is whenever the set is a group with respect to multiplication, generator of A can be written as A power 0, A power 1, A square dash. With respect to addition, generator of A can be written as 0 into A, 1 into A, 2 into A and so on. That's why here kernel phi is equal to generator of 12, that is nothing but 0, 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Here clearly we observe that generator of LCM of 3 comma 4. What is the LCM of 3 comma 4? LCM of 3 comma 4 is 12. That's why here this 12 can be written as generator of LCM of 3 comma 4. Okay, here kernel phi is generator of LCM of 3 comma 4. Next we see another example, another problem. Here pi is defined from Z2 Z6 plus Z4. In previous problem, in place of Z3, here given the Z6. So now kernel phi, directly we go for kernel phi. Here pi of x is defined as x mod 6. In previous problem, x mod 3. So same as x mod 4. So now we kernel phi is equal to pi of x equal e dash. E dash is the identity element in Z6 plus Z4. So in this group also identity element is 0 comma 0. Why? Because Z6 plus Z4 is a group with respect to addition. With respect to addition, the identity element is 0. Here direct sum of Z6 plus Z4, that's why the identity element is equal to 0 comma 0. Here pi of x is defined as x mod 6 comma x mod 4. So now we substitute x is equal to 0, 0 mod 6 is 0, 0 mod 4 is also 0. That's why here kernel pi contains 0. If we substitute x is equal to 1, 1 mod 6, 1 mod 6 is 1, 1 mod 4 is also 1. Similarly, we substitute 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we substitute 6 or 4, if we substitute 4, 4 mod 6 is 4, but here 4 mod 4 is 0. From that one we get 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 is not equal to 0 comma 0. That's why x is equal to 4 is not an element of kernel pi. If you substitute x is equal to 6, 6 mod 6 is 0, but 6 mod 4 is 2. That is also not equal to 0 comma 0. Similarly, continuing this process, we substitute x is equal to 12. 12 mod 6 is 0 and also 12 mod 4 is also 0. Thus means x is equal to 12 is an element of kernel pi. Similarly, we substitute 24. 24 mod 6 is also 0. If you substitute x is equal to 18 here, 18 mod 6 is 0. But 18 mod 4 is not equal to 0. Okay. So, all the multiples of 12 satisfying this condition. That's why here kernel pi is 0, 12, 24, 36 dash. So, this can be written as generator of 12. Why? Because here Z is a group with respect to addition. That's why with respect to addition, generator of 12 can be written as 0 into 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 12, 3 into 12, 4 into 12 dash. Okay. So, that is nothing but here also LCM of 6 comma 4. What is the LCM of 6 comma 4? LCM of 6 comma 4 is 12. In general, if phi is mapping from Z to Zm plus Zn is a homomorphism defined by phi of x is equal to x mod m comma x mod n, then kernel pi is equal to generator of LCM of m comma n. LCM of m comma n. So, which is the general formula for the homomorphism defined as in the manner. Okay. Thank you.